Welcome to my channel Tech Easy Learning. Today we are going to see a function in Excel. Suppose you have received one request from your boss to prepare one master list of all employees working in an organization. But you are having data only for departmental wise employee details. You are having only department wise employee details, but you need to prepare the master list of employees. How can you do that? Manually, if you do like this, show now. Manually, if you do like this, it will take more time. Normally, here we are using only sample data, but in the real-time environment, you will be having a volume of records, say around 1,000 or 2,000. If it is a big organization, and normally some around 500 to 1,000 employees will be working, then it will take more time. In order to save the time, and if you want to do the things very easily, you have to use one function called TOCOL. TOCOL means it will it will convert the range of data into a single column. Okay, I will show you how to do that. See, you can see that function TOCOL. Now you can select the range of data. See, now we are able to get all the data in a single column. Okay, this is the way you have to merge all the data into a single column. If it is containing some blank data, you can remove that by using one more argument, that is 1. Now here we are having one blank data. If I use comma 1, then that blank data is getting removed. Okay, this is the way you have to use that function to call in Excel, and it will be very useful for you in the real time environment.